sure to check out Vlogmas Day 2 over on Dominique's channel. I'll have the link in the description box down below. We did our huge Christmas decor haul showing everything that we purchased for the house.
It's a little thing. Now I'm just moving this out of the way, and then we're going to slide that table over here and unbox the tree over there. What's the point of you filming moving down? Man, it's not heavy. Give me my favorite song. There it goes. So we is here.
We been home. Oh, that's pretty. So what you put on the table? Oh,
The other table is over there.
No, not push it on back now. It ain't gonna cover the TV. Help me pick it up. It's gonna get smaller this, remember, as it goes up. Right.
This thing gonna cover that TV. We're gonna have to put it on the other side, I think.
No, you don't want your TV in there. Oh,
Let me see, I need the other one.
just hold on, okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's how it goes.
This must be the bottom of your one. No, because the bottom had a stick on it. This ain't got no stick. Get the instructions out. Oh, that's it, come off. It's a cap. Just say 2. It's got a number 2 right here. You twist it in.
Oh, it came on automatic when you put it in there. You don't put that whole tree together and then try to move it, hold it up there.
Go up, see, because we ain't even in the frame.
This is what I'm gonna show you what to do. See how this is straight? See how this straight? And then you just pull each one out like this.
Easy to say it.
I got a heel on.
We don't.
This is this out. Oh, yeah, you can put that. You can't put no stone.
Is it a lot?
If that stay lock, because it jump wild, we don't want to knock your TV out.
Jackson did that same. You might want to see.
If that bottom stay lock.
I dropped that in there and it went like click. I think it's in there good. We got the perfect height. That's crazy.
How big is the stone?
We don't have our topper yet. Oh man, it's gonna take this.
Oh yeah, got the way. You take a long.
Okay, first layer is complete. Our mom came over and she said it would be a good idea to go ahead and connect everything. When you drop the next layer in, you don't have to connect anything. I guess that is the connection and the lights come on already, which makes sense. If you start on the tree and realize you run into a problem, then you gotta fold them back in and take it back. The next layer, I won't bore y'all with that. We'll be back when all the layers are unfolded.
What time got the drink?
Okay guys, so the next stop is to pull up elegant ribbon videos on YouTube and, you know, follow what they're doing. Still a fan, because we're hot. Yeah, we're watching this guy. He's like a professional, so we're following his.
You don't have to cut the ribbon if you would prefer not to. A lot of the videos I watched expressed that it was more easy to work with smaller strands of ribbon than the entire roll.
So in the tree, I'm wrapping it around the middle part, kind of twist it.
By searching how to add ribbon on a Christmas tree, we found lots of search results on YouTube and we let those run on the TV while we were doing our ribbon. There's lots of different ways that we saw people add their ribbon to their tree to spice it up. Since this was our first time, we decided to stick with this one. It was a little more simple for me to do.
I'm basically rolling it together like this, right? Kind of like curling hair, and then you pull it like that, and then you cut.
So continuing with the ribbon until the 2 packs were gone. If you all want to see the haul video of all of our decor, it's on my sister Dominique Lachey's YouTube channel. So now all of the ribbon is done, we're moving on to the ornaments, and we decided to stick with the same method we've always done growing up. Whichever pack you begin with, you keep working with that one until it is empty.
Sweetie wants to hang one of the ornaments before she
hang a
leaves.
cute one.
She want to hang a cute one, she said.
Give me a look. YouTube one. I'm hanging.
I don't know who YouTube was that is. Show like mine, see?
Yeah, this one is funny for me, y'all. Oh, that's special. I trained them how to decorate a tree. They learned all this from me.
It's not complete. Alright guys, this completes the video of our tree. We are done.
Y'all tree gonna really be free.
Decorating the tree is really a tedious process, but it's one that's very enjoyable. It's very family oriented. Me and my sister really enjoy doing our tree together, and we just basically repeat the same process until all of our ornaments were on the tree. So whichever pack I started with, I would just continue with that one. Also, by working with one pack at a time, meaning Dominique is working with something totally different, we're making sure that we spread the ornaments out. So I may place something in the middle, I may place something to the right of the tree, I may place something to the top, something towards the bottom. That way, from all angles, you can see each one of the ornaments and they're not all in the same space. You don't have to think too hard about it, just kind of step back sometimes and look at the tree. That's what our mom would always say when we were growing up decorating the tree, to step back and look at it. So sometimes I would stand in the dining room, sometimes I would stand at our entryway door, sometimes I would sit on the couch just to see what we're working with so far. And once you finish, you just grab another pack and you keep going. So to spice up our tree, we also have lots of different arrangements of ornaments. So we have the standard ornament balls, and then we have cute little personality pieces like these cute pink glitter heels that we got from Dollar Tree. Again, be sure to check out the haul video if you're curious on where all of the items are from. Dominique did film the haul for her Vlogmas Day 2 on her YouTube channel. I have a link down below. So after we finally finished decorating our tree, glitter is everywhere. So now we're basically going to clean up so we can really see what we have, what we're working with, and then what we want to add. So Dominique is going to vacuum. I'm going to just kind of clean up a few things, and I guess it's kind of self-explanatory, this little portion here. So growing up, our mom would always kind of multitask while she was cleaning, so we're doing that same thing. It's kind of in us at this point, okay? So once we kind of tidy up an area, we're also placing the decorations where we think we may want them. This is the portion of the video where we may place something and you all will see it in a certain area on camera, but off camera maybe days later. If we add something else or decide that we want to move it, it may be placed in a different spot. But of course, we'll keep you all updated on all of that throughout Vlogmas.
No. Oh my God. How I do this?
Yeah, now we only got 2.
How did it fall? No. We just got this. Man, I should have set it right back up here. That's gonna look funny now with 2 like this.
For new Subway sliders starting at $1.89 each. How do you want it? Cheers, squad.
Okay. Man, let me get out the way since I'm a klutz.
Finishing up with a little bit of dusting just to get off little glitter droplets from where we may have placed the ornaments at, and then the glitter falls. So dusting again, and then my sister ran the vacuum one extra time after this, and I think that's pretty much it for us cleaning up the living room.
As far as what we're going to do in the living room, this is what we have for now. Obviously, stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas to see what else we add. We're adding to our list of things we need. We have to do our topper. We need to get a pink skirt. We want to do like a pink skirt, but I'm thinking that if we get like the traditional one, it's literally going to be the same size as the tree, so it'll be tucked under there. I want it to come out further, extending from the tree. We don't have a fireplace. We have to figure out where our stockings are going to go, and then the end table decor may not stay like this, but as far as trying to just get on to the next thing, we placed it for now, and we may just move stuff around later. I'm mad I broke that. You gotta set aside a whole day when you get ready to do this. We're gonna put the wreath on the door, but we don't really show outside too much, so this is our wreath hanger. Nothing about this is like Christmassy. I took that one over there since it's green. Gotta put that away because I may just leave it like that. I don't know yet.
Standing at our entryway door, this is what you see, but I'm going to step forward to get the ring light out of the frame. So this is the tree. We still need our skirt and our topper, but I have to go ahead and conclude this video in order to get it out on time for you all today. I just thought of one other thing that will make this look cute in here. Hold on. I'm actually going to put this on the blue or pink. I like the blue.
perfect. Now it's completed. This isn't like an official tour, but I'm at least showing you all where everything is. We decided to stick the stockings over here. I feel like if we kind of fake our fireplace like that, then it kind of makes sense. I don't know. I put in fireplace with blue. If you all want to find this one, just for like an aesthetic for Instagram and like pictures and everything, versus the standard orange one.
Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and keep the voiceover short on this one, that way I don't have to do too many takes from messing up. But I enjoyed doing our tree on today. I really enjoyed the entire process. Regardless of how long it took, it's just the enjoyment of spending time with family and putting together the tree and just making all of these memories and stuff, you know. So I love the way everything turned out. Some of y'all probably was doubting the blue and the pink, huh? Either way, let us know what you all think of our tree down below. I love the way we pulled off this blue and the pink to accommodate both what my sister and I wanted on our tree. I think this looks amazing. Definitely stay tuned for more Vlogmas videos to see what else we add to our decor, because this is definitely not the full finished look.
Sitting on the couch, this is what you see with me zooming in so that you won't see the box over there. This is what you see from this angle. So that's what I meant when I said I would sit down on the couch to see what the tree looks like.
So we may add more to our table, or we just may keep it simple and let the tree be the highlight of this room. Sometimes less is definitely more. Either way, stay tuned for that. I love the pillow. If you all are curious about where any of the decor is from, we did do the haul on Dominique's channel.
Standing in the dining room area, this is what our tree looks like from this side. We also stepped over here quite a bit to see what our tree would look like if someone was sitting at our table and they would look to the left. We got as close to the back as we could without bumping the TV and without just wasting ornaments where people can't see them. But again, standing right here at least shows us where a few should be filled in it. I need to fix that curtain, by the way.
We still need to organize our end tables as well.
If you don't like that, you can just keep it on just light. So now I'm going to cut off the ring light in here so you all can really see what it looks like, because naturally we don't just have a ring light on in our house. This is what our living room looks like. I really hate showing the top without it being finished. And then if you turn around, that's this full area. Let me move the ring light. A good head start. We're definitely going to get some pillows. I think I may add some more blue ones, and maybe we'll get like a cute little Santa, something extra to put over there. Or if we figure out a different arrangement here, we may sit one of the trees over there. And then this is what the lights look like without the ring light on. Now I'm going to cut off all of the lights. Ooh, okay. This is what it looks like in the dark. And then obviously if you're sitting in here, then the TV will still be on because you will be watching something.
So that's pretty much for our first Christmas tree decorate with us, putting up our very first Christmas tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video.
My favorite ornaments are the ones that was in this pack.
Be sure to be active in the comment section. Scroll down past where they advertise all of the extra videos now. I hate the new YouTube update. Scroll past that and the comment section is still there. That way you all can engage with me. And if you made it to the end of this video, I thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's absolutely free. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up for more decorating videos on my channel. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes, and I thank you all so much for watching.